Hello viewers, so are you good into angles? So if you're good into angles, this video is for you. So, and if still you are having some difficulties or challenges to do with working out angles, then this video is also for you. So what I want to advise you is sit down, relax and watch this video up to the end. So this one is what you're having. Interior angles of a triangle are 3x plus 20 degrees, 2x plus 10 degrees, x plus 30 degrees. So we are asked to find x. So what is this x? So if you know how to do it, please comment on the value of x on the comment section. So let me introduce myself. I am Teacher John. I've been the teacher for maths in high school and middle school for quite a decade. So let's now work this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So don't go away. So let's begin with the solution. So under the solution, we are going to analyze this statement. Now remember, it is a triangle. So how are we going to work out this triangle? So let's imagine a triangle. So like for example, this one is a sketch of a triangle. So meaning that a triangle has how many sides? The three sides. 1, 2, 3. So may assume this one is the first side, the second side and the third side. So how many angles are made up of this triangle? We know that a triangle made up to a total of 180 degrees. So meaning that 3x plus 20, 2x plus 10 and x plus 30, all these angles should add up to 180 degrees. So let's get started. So meaning that any side, assume this side is 2x plus 20 plus 10, then this other side maybe can be this other angle, 3x plus 20. Then the other angle, this other side can also to be assumed it is x plus 30. So this side is x plus 30 to x plus 10, then 3x plus 20. So how do we find the value of x? So this one is the solution. So we shall say that 3x, so we have 3x, this angle here, 3x plus 20. Then when you add it to 2x plus 20, 2x plus 10, then that angle add up to again to x plus 30. X plus 30 should give us what is called 180 degrees. So that is what it means. So it means that 3x plus 20 plus 2x plus 10 plus x plus 30 should give us 180 degrees. So the next step that you need to do is to arrange the x's on one side. So let's pick the x's. So here let's begin with 3x. So we have 3x, then 3x add to 2x. So we also have 2x, then 2x add to x. Then now plus the ones that are not angles. So we have 20 plus 10. So 20 plus 10. So then lastly plus 30. So let's have plus 30 here. So let's now add them together. So from here now we shall have 3x plus 2x. We shall now have the 5x. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 5x plus x. X means 1. So 5x plus 1 is 6x. So now we shall here have 6x. Then we shall add 2. So let's add the unknown. That is 20 plus 10. That is 30. Then 30 plus 30 gives us 60. Because 20, 30 plus 30 is 60. Is equals to 180 degrees. So let's still proceed. And now we shall say that 6x, this one is equals to 180 degrees. So we shall have to transfer 60 degrees to this other side. So that now we shall, because it was plus 60, it shall be now be minus 60 degrees. So now once we reach at that point, so we just work out 180 minus 60. So we shall say that 6x is equals to 180 minus 60. We shall have 120 degrees. So we want now to find the value of x. So how are we going to find the value of x? We just find the value of x by dividing both sides by 6. So that when you divide both sides by here by 6, you also divide both sides by 6, not only one side. Now 6 here once, 6 here once. So 6 here once, 6 goes into 120 how many times? So it goes there 20 times. So meaning that now x is equals to 20 degrees. So that is the value of x. So the value of x is 20 degrees. So if you get 20 degrees, then you get it correctly. So let's now come back and check the value of these angles. You can go an extent of checking the value of an individual angle. So assume this angle here was 3x plus 20. So which angle? So where there is x, we write 20. So meaning that here now will be 3 into bracket 20. Then we close the bracket plus 20 degrees. So here now 3 multiplied by 20. Now we shall have 60 plus 20. So here it is 80 degrees. So it means that this angle here is 80 degrees, the interior angle. So what about this interior angle now? X plus 30. So what is x? So x plus 30. So remember that x was representing 20. It's like now having 20 plus 30, which is 50 degrees. So this side here shall be 50 degrees. So let's pick 2x plus 10. So what about 2x plus 10? So 2x plus 10. So remember that we shall be having something like 2 into bracket 20 plus 10. So 2 times 20 is 40. So now we shall have 40 plus 10, which is 50 degrees. So that side is also 50 degrees. So it means that here now we shall also have 50 degrees. So 50 degrees plus 50 degrees plus the 80 degrees, that is this other side, shall give us a total of 180 degrees. So that is the values of those angles. But now when you are asked to find the value of x, so this one is the value of x, that is 20. So let's stop there and see you in the next video. So